Maryland style crispy fried flounder fish, the ultimate crunch, or call it the loudest crunch, mustard fried flounder. Mustard is the binder for this recipe.
Mair born hungry is delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. We are making Maryland style crispy flounder fish and mustard is the binder. This is wild caught flounder. 1 pound is approximately about $10. These are ready-made fillets, individually packed and very thin. So this will be the ultimate crunchy 5, 6, 7, 8 beautiful wild caught flounder fillets. It's very easy and simple. In 20 to 30 minutes we will deep fry this. Let's put oil in the pan or a pot, or if you have a oil fryer, put it at 350 degrees. 1 liter of the canola oil in here for these fillets. Take them out, put in the marinade bowl. This is very delicate fish. This is the one fillet of the fish. Put it in your marinade bowl. Be gentle with this fish. Let's marinate now. The first thing, we have to marinate our fish fillets. So for that, this is the Maryland style Old Bay seasoning. 1 whole tablespoon of it. We will add it right on top of the fillets. Grab regular yellow mustard, and this is the binder for our recipe as well. 3 tablespoons in here for the 1 pound of the fish. That's pretty much it for the fish. Flounder fish is very delicate. Use your hand and rub the mustard on top. Here is our 8 beautiful fillets. They are mustardly coated with Old Bay. So Southern and Maryland style. They are East Coast and Southern. Both styles are in here. This will be the crispiest and delicious fish ever. Let's make the coating for it, which will go on top, and then we will land this beautiful flounder crispy fish in our oil, which is at 350 degrees. Let's make the coating. First thing goes in here, yellow cornmeal. We will take 2 baking cups of it. All-purpose flour, 1 baking cup of it. Cornstarch, half baking cup of it. Now let's season this coating. Take smoked paprika, or you can use cayenne pepper, it doesn't matter, 1 tablespoon. Onion powder, 1 whole tablespoon. Garlic powder, at least 2 tablespoons. Last but not least, 1 tablespoon of the Old Bay, and here you go. It has the salt, Old Bay, so we are not adding salt in here. This is it. So easy, right? The coating is done. The coating is done. Fish is marinated. Just mix everything up. Here is all the coating, flavored and with simple ingredients and with the best flavor possible. The oil is above 350. Make sure it should be at 350. Here you go, your fillet. Add it right here. Covered with your coating from all the sides. Just be gentle with the fish. It's very delicate fish, but this is what it will make the crispy fish. And the fry time is just 4 to 5 minutes. If you want to double coat it, you want more coating on it, give it a quick dip in water, take it out, put it back. So now it's carrying more of the crust on it. Let's do the tail as well. And here you go. This is completely ready to get into the oil, which is at 350 now. And here you go. 4 minutes is the cook time, or if you see golden brown color on top of the fish, it's ready. This is after 5 minutes. We have delicious, crispy Flounder, Maryland style and Southern style, is ready. Yes, this is done. And this guy has split itself apart. Look at this crunch on it. For the color pop, add some fresh cilantro right next to it. Take some relish. The sauce, let me give you the sauce for it. 1 tablespoon of relish in here and real mayo. That's what it is. Easy. Give it a mix. Look at this, homemade, easy. Anyone can make it. This sauce is the bomb for this recipe. Nobody can go wrong with mayo. Here is the sauce for it. This is all recipe, under 30 minutes. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's do a taste test.
Locked in. Guess I'm locked in. Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is going, see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no breaks.
This is the taste test. Let's do a crunch test. This is what I'm talking about. Here you go. Let's break it and look at the inside. Wow. And the first bite. Yummy sauce. Wow.
And that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head.
Coating is the bomb. Mustard has the tanginess. Sauce is yummy. Crunch is right there. This is how you make Maryland style flounder. Extra crispy, under 30 minutes. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Trust me, man, you're gonna love it. It's easy to do. It's a little bit delicate once you're doing the process, but the end result, I still have another batch to go. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and bye-bye for now. So here you go, I'm making another batch. Seriously, it's good. And here it goes.